It's green, it's lush, it's soft. It's one of my favourite things in the garden. It's lawn. But there are lawns and there are lawns. In fact, there are so many varieties out there, it really is hard to know which is best for you. Well, thankfully, I think I've found the perfect all-rounder which will suit most of this country. Born right here in Australia, Sir Walter DNA certified buffalo was bred to be tough, yet soft and good-looking too. In fact, since 1997, there has been over 110 million metres of Sir Walter buffalo turf sold Australia-wide. That's the equivalent to 1.25 million Aussie homes. Now it's proven to tolerate full sun, shade, extreme heat, frost and even drought. Buffalo lawns are more shade tolerant than any other grass variety due to their broad leaves, which efficiently capture sunlight for photosynthesis. Among these, Sir Walter DNA certified buffalo grass stands out as one of the top performers in shaded areas, thriving with as little as 3 hours of sunlight per day. When it comes to maintenance, it's pretty minimal. It loves a mow, and a feed once every few months will keep it looking at its best. It's also quick to repair, so if it does get damaged, it won't take long to bounce back. Since the plant breeder's rights have expired in 2018, any grass can actually be sold under the Sir Walter name. That makes it really challenging to know whether you're getting that authentic product or not. The Sir Walter Certified DNA Buffalo is exclusively sold with the Lawn Solutions Australia group, their members and their resellers only. So be careful and go and check out their website and look for the local growers.